So here's how you can duplicate pages in WordPress. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So the first thing you're going to do is open up any browser in your system. After that, we will open the WordPress page, which I have already opened. If you have created an account, then log in. Otherwise, create an account. We will enter our email and password and click on Login. Then, our WordPress dashboard will open. After that, here we will click on the option of Plugin below on the left side, and then click on the option of Add New. Then, here we will search for Duplicate Page plugins. After that, we will install the first plugin. Then, we will activate this plugin. After that, we will go to the Pages option on the left side and click on the All Pages option. Now these two pages are in front of us. After that, we will click on the duplicate option at the bottom of this first page, then a duplicate page will be created. After that, we click on the duplicate option at the bottom of this second page, then a duplicate page will be created. In this way, so we can create duplicate pages on WordPress.